Hi, it's Sandy. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the weight loss progress dashboard so you can track your weight loss journey better, make progress and reach your weight loss goals. It has some really good features to help you track your progress. So in this video, I'll be going through those in a minute. The dashboard currently comes in 4 stunning colors. All these colors are available in the Etsy shop. You'll find the link to purchase the spreadsheets down below, so be sure to check that out. This is the rose color, this is the teal color, this is the sky blue, and this is the neutral. The cells that you need to fill in are all in white. They are these cells on this page and these cells on this page. Everything else the spreadsheet will update automatically. You select your unit, so we're just going to enter the information. And you'll notice that your name comes up here automatically, and your name will also come up here automatically. You also notice that your starting weight is in kilos and your height is in centimeters. A simple Google search can help you if you need to convert from feet into sort of centimeters. As you can see, the spreadsheet will automatically calculate your BMI and will give you a classification. The BMI is just a guide and it's just one way of measuring your progress. It's important to also focus on non-scale victories such as how you feel, how your clothes fit and your energy levels. There are 6 classifications: underweight, normal weight, overweight, obese class 1, obese class 2 and obese class 3. As you can see, this is saying obese class 3. Once you enter your information here, you don't need to enter any information here. This is automatically calculated by the spreadsheet, and it will tell you time span is the number of weeks since the start date. So you're saying you have been on your journey for 29 weeks. Time left is how many weeks you have left until your target date. So you can change these fields as you wish. Maybe you want to change your target weight, or maybe you want to change your target date. But it's saying you have 13 weeks left until your target date. Everything here at the top is automatically calculated: your starting weight, your current weight, your total loss, and left to lose. Left to lose is how much you have left to lose until you reach your target weight. And this will show you a progress. Once we enter the information, we'll be able to come back and I'll show you how this works. Here you select stones or pounds. We're going to do this in stones, and these will automatically highlight depending on how much weight you have lost. So once you enter those fields in and you select stones or pounds, all you have to do is click on the progress log, and here you just enter the date and the kilos. This cell's automatically formulated to be 7 days after the start date. If you do want to keep that going, you weigh in every 7 days. You can click on this square and the arrow come up, and then you can just drag it down and you'll see it will enter the date for you. You can drag it all the way down to whenever you want, and it will just automatically enter the date for you. On this tab, all you have to do is enter the date and weight, and the spreadsheet will automatically calculate the difference and BMI. And you'll notice that your weight is in kilos or pounds depending on what you selected here. So if you selected pounds, you notice that this changes to pounds. We're doing kilos. So I'm just going to enter some information for illustration purposes. As you'll see, the spreadsheet will automatically calculate your BMI according to your height and your current weight, and you'll highlight it in one of these colors. So here is a darker color, so that BMI was above 40. Here is a red color, so BMI was this. And then here was the orange, BMI was this. Yellow, BMI is this, and the green is the normal weight. So this is all done automatically for you. At the bottom there is a weight loss progress chart, and these 3 tabs enable you to go to different places on the spreadsheet. So if you want to go down to you just press here and you're able to see the weight loss gain. So all the weeks that you have lost weight will be shown at the bottom, and any weeks that weight has been gained will show at the top. If you want to go back to the top, you just click this button and it takes you straight back to the top. If you want to go down to the bottom again, it takes you down to the bottom, back down to the top. This takes you back to the progress page. We'll go there in a minute. This spreadsheet is set to 53 weeks. There is an additional 106 weeks at the bottom hidden. All you have to do is click on this arrow and it'll give you a little warning, but that's fine. You just press OK and you'll see it will unhide additional weeks. So there's up to 156 weeks, which is over 3 years, or you can just keep it as a 52 kind of week. So yeah, if you're at the bottom here, you can go back to the top, really easy, back to the progress overview. So it's telling you currently you are 68 kg, and this is taken from the last time you weighed in. So the spreadsheet updates it automatically from the last time you weighed in. You don't have to worry about that, and it will show you your change since your last weigh-in. It's saying since your previous weigh-in you lost 1 kg, which it calculates by the information you enter here. It shows you your progress on this part of it. You're able to see your progress. This, you're able to see your progress to goal. So the goal that you set here, the spreadsheet will calculate how many kilos or pounds you've got left to lose to get to your goal, and this kind of shows you, it highlights where you are and where you still left to lose. Zones gone, depending on how much you've lost, the spreadsheet will automatically highlight how much that is in stones or pounds. See, according to this, 49 kilos means you've lost over 100 pounds. In stones, 7.5 stone. This spreadsheet has helped me lose over 60 pounds in 6 months and has really helped in keeping me motivated. The dashboard currently comes in 4 stunning colors. Check out the Etsy shop for more weight loss tools to help you on your journey. I hope you found the demo helpful. Everything is linked down below. Bye.